We are all needy. It's fine. It is okay to be needy. You are allowed to have needs, and some of your needs are going to be big, and some of your needs are going to be completely out of proportion to the situation, and some of your needs other people are never going to be able to meet. It doesn't matter. Embrace your neediness. Don't other it. Don't send it into the shadows. Make peace with the fact that you are needy. You have needs, and it hurts when they don't get met. So let's just begin with, there is no proving that I'm not needy. There is no making myself more palatable for other people. There is no going to war with myself for having needs. Like let's detox some of that conditioning. We get to be needy. Now the question is, how am I going to care for my neediness in a way that it doesn't burn down my relationships? But let's make peace with that. And when if somebody says to you, you're too needy, I'm going to translate that into saying, this person sees my needs and it's more than they feel like they have the capacity to address. That's fair. But I'm going to need to be more strategic here around where I'm going to get my needs met, which ones I'm going to meet for myself, how I'm going to hold this in dialogue with other people. Other people aren't objects to meet our needs.